how to get notifications about disruption on your line on transit. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can get notifications about disruptions on your line on transit. And here is how to go about it. The first step to do is to log in into your transit application, just like I have done here. Now, once you're logged in on your application, your home screen might be different from mine because I am currently in an unsupported region. But for you, once you're in a region that is supported by transit, you would see other things on this page. And then you would also see your trip, okay? That is your transit line for your trip will be displayed on this screen. So once you can see it here and you are trying to stay informed about disruption, the first step is to check your service alerts. All right. So when there is an active alert, you will see a little triangle icon next to the line name or number on the screen. That is on the line. You will see a little triangle icon. So you can just tap on the line to get more information. Then you can swipe to the left or to the right on the line or in the alert screen to check whether there are active alerts for the opposite direction. All right. So if the alert is associated with a specific stop, you will see a circle highlighting the affected stop on the map, and it will be either in red or yellow color only. Not all of these colors because they are significant. And then tap the stop, then the colors to check alerts for the affected stop. And the other thing you can do is to check the entrance alerts for station entrances. Okay, you can follow the same color pattern to check all of this. All right, and you must note that station entrances are only shown in selected and specific cities, not in every city. You can also check the individual alerts. You can hide your individual alert. That is when you are in your service alert screen, tap the alert you want to hide, and then hide the alert from the pop-up menu. You can also subscribe to service alerts and all of that, and you are good to go. Note that transit keeps you informed about schedule changes, stop relocations, and other unexpected surprises. All right, so thanks for watching and have a good day.